Welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to consider simultaneous equation. It will be much easier for you to solve any simultaneous equation after watching this video to the end, because I'm going to introduce to you an interesting shortcut method you can apply in finding x and y, especially during your exams. Here, to find the variable x, we are going to pick a point at y interval at which every move we take off from. Now, at this point, to find x, we are going to apply cross multiplication here. You cross multiply this 2 multiplied by 26, that will give us 52, minus here, you cross multiply 7 times 13, that gives us 91, divided by here, at the same point, we cross multiply this 4 times 2, that gives us 8, minus we cross multiply this 3 times 7, that gives us 21. Then this equals 52 minus 91, that gives us minus 39, divided by 8 minus 21, that gives us minus 13. Then here, minus will eliminate minus, and we have that x equals 39 divided by 13, that gives us 3, and this is the value of x. Now, to get the variable y, we are going to take a reference point at x interval. We have this. Then y equals, we apply the same cross multiplication again. 4 multiplied by 13, that gives us 52, minus 3 multiplied by 26, that gives us 78. Then divide it. You repeat this. 8 minus 21, then 52 minus 78, this equals minus 26, divided by 8 minus 21, this gives us minus 13. Then here, minus eliminate minus, and we have that y equals 26 divided by 13, that gives us 2. Therefore, x equals 3 and y equals 2, and these are the possible values of x and y that will satisfy this equation here on the board.